The Mühlrad literally means the mill wheel. It is a classical Bavarian folk dance which is relatively easy to learn and therefore often taught to children as one of the first dances. It is a figure dance. The figure dance describes the miller's craft. The individual figures are supposed to represent the process from the grain to the finished milled flour. The special feature of this dance is that it is performed by different local traditional folk dance clubs, which makes it unique to every small region. It is never completely identical. Even villages that are right next to each other, such as Martinzell and Waltenhofen, have small differences in the way they dance. The dance style is passed on in the groups from generation to generation. Thus, over the years, small differences developed, which however also make it a bit of an individual dance of the regions. The same applies to the traditional costumes, which are different in each small village, and changes depending on the occasion. The folk dance is traditionally performed on festive occasions and celebrations. These include, for example, the celebration of a festive tree on May the 1st each year. The custom of setting up a peeled tree decorated with wreaths and ribbons on May the 1st developed in Germany in the 16th century. Since then, the May tree has stood for prosperity and growth, as well as good luck and blessings. Celebration and dancing are inseparable parts of setting up the May tree. Other occasions include folk festivals, such as Oktoberfest, or smaller local festivals, similar to Oktoberfest, church occasions, or weddings.
First of all, we will show you the basic position. So, put your arms into your hips and give the arm to your partner. Use the middle finger as a sign of inclusion and get the connection to your partner. It is important to walk in step. All dancers should perform simultaneously in time with the music. In the next step, the ladies switch from outside to inside and the dance partners grab each other with both hands. By holding hands, we expand our contact with each other and a sense of belonging is created. The two dance partners form a small circle in the high five position and release this position by holding their partner's forearms. The right arms are raised above the dancer's head and she turns 180 degrees. The female dancer turns on the outstretched hand of her partner. She forms a pair of scissors with her fingers. The men kneel down and the ladies walk around them. Finally, you turn to your partner again and dance in a two-step sequence. The mill wheel is a folk dance that can also be learned by children and inexperienced people within a short time. In the video, the dance is performed together with a group of Bulgarian dancers. This creates solidarity across different nations and cultures and can act as a tool for inclusion.